Hello from Radio Ham 100. Today we're gonna show you how to install the PC Linux OS in VMware. I choose to install it with the ISO file that I downloaded earlier. You have to browse and find your location where it is, and then after that it would show in here. It's on my F drive into my software folder on my external. Now we're gonna click next and continue. It's gonna have a dot in Linux. Click next. Let's change this to the name of the distro is PC Linux OS. Let's click next. Let's click next and finish. Now it's gonna go and start the VMware. It does like it would be a live CD, but it does it from the ISO file. It's quite faster to boot up than if you would do it from a CD, but it works. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make it so it looks like full screen. You have to click the little square here. If you want to get out of it, you can go Control Alt. Let's see it full screen. Now it's asking us to choose our keyboard layout, and let's choose US keyboard. Click next. Now booting up to our desktop. It has a pretty logo of a bull. I don't know what they're trying to say. Maybe they're trying to say grab the bull by the horn. Now we're gonna click on the install. They give you a install file here. So install to your computer. Click once. I heard the music very low in the background. I don't know if you heard it. Now I'm gonna type root. Click OK. I'm gonna try to make that as easy as possible to install the operating system. Click next. Now I'm not gonna change nothing. Use free space. Use the whatever they call it, the wizard of PC Linux OS. Let's click next. It's formatting. It says please wait. Everything is pretty well done automatically. Now it is installing the PC Linux OS on to our computer. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll be right back. And welcome back. This is the magic of creating video. Now the install is done. It took approximately 8 minutes or so. Now it's gonna ask you, like, yes, there's a security password again, type it in there. It's I tried to type that in and it gives you some sort of error, so just go ahead and leave it blank and go ahead and continue. Click next. And now it says that let's click finish. Okay, now this is done. Now we have two ways to reboot the computer. You would think it would reboot the computer automatically, but it doesn't. Okay, now it says click finish, restart your computer, and remove the CD. Okay, let's click finish. Let's see if it's gonna reboot. I don't think it does, but maybe if the CD would be in, it would reboot, but I don't think it does. So let's go. You got two choice. You go here, go to do a reset, or you could also do it from here. And click on reset. And go ahead, do reset. Now it's gonna close off and then reboot. Now you have to click enter. Now it says booting PCLinux 2010. It looks like it's a success. It's giving us all the information that it picked up while I did the install, picking up all the hard drive, all the device, everything that you need to operate the PCLinux distro. It's a good sign. We have that little thing turning up. Okay, now it's asking you to set administrator root password. I gotta make it easy. They use root, so let's put root. And I'll put root again, password again. So let's click next. Now in here, I'm gonna make it easy also. I'm just gonna put everything as user. Click next. Now again, user, password, user. Is that simple? And we have success. Now let's see if we have a browser working. After it boots up to our desktop, you should hear the sound, maybe if it's loud enough. It was not very loud, but we do have sound, so that is a good sign. Now we're gonna just do a quick test here. And oops, enter. Oh, come on, I'm not used to this. Okay, click Firefox. It gives us the right time. It's 6:51 in the morning here in Canada. Okay, the internet is hooked up. It's working. Now let's go here, go to preference, general. I want to make it as Google as my homepage.ca. We're from Canada. Let's click OK. Let's click home. We're on our web page. Let's see if we have sound in here. Okay, I'm going to do quick YouTube. Music. Yeah. I'll just put Kenny Roger. Oh, there you go, Kenny Roger. I'm gonna do this one here. There you go. We have sound, but you can't hear it. You can't hear it because it's not set stereo mix. So anyways, thank you very much and hope that was helpful.